welcomes you all for an exclusive talk show on the occasion of our store's second anniversary. So welcome to the talk show on books and reading habit. Now, with the special guests out here, we would be going about the importance of books, then the impact of books on one's life and many other things. So before we move forward with our talk show, I would like all the special guests to introduce themselves to our viewers. I think we could start with Principal Sister from JMJ School.
Good evening everyone, and I'm glad to be here on the occasion of the completion of 2 years library, books and periodicals. I am Sister Suhasini, Principal of JMJ High School, Duranda.
Next, we have Mr. Ankit Jain.
Hello and good evening and happy evening, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever, whichever part of the world we all are watching this. Congratulations to, I think, First Books and Periodicals for completing 2 years and also for giving Ranchi such a beautiful place where we all can experience and enjoy book shopping. I am Ankit Jain, Executive Director of BNI Ranchi. Thank you so much, and I'm excited to be part of this talk show. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Next, we have Mrs. Vashima Parashar.
Hi everyone, I'm Vashima. I congratulate Books and Periodicals on completion of 2 years. Basically, I am MBA Finance and an ex-banker. Today I am here all due to my kid because she has got a lot of interest in books. So it actually developed, I think, from the childhood only. She used to see a lot of magazines, and now it is such a thing that she has got lots of books in stock, and whenever she has free time, she just goes and take a look on them.
Next, we have Mr. Kalicharan Agarwal.
A very good evening to everybody present here. I am Kalicharan Agarwal. I am the Managing Director for the National Driving Schools. First of all, I would like to congratulate Books and Periodicals for arranging such a lovely evening and everybody out here. And basically, I give my best wishes to everybody present here. Thank you.
Then we have 2 kiddos also over here.
Thank you.
Miss Vanisha and Master Dave. So now before we move it with all these things, okay, let me just ask you all, how did you all get into the habit of reading and how did the kids get into the habit of reading? Who introduced you all to books? No one. How did you start reading then?
One of my small friends, her name is Koina, she gave me 3 books of kind of this 15 pages.
Okay.
I read them. It was most interesting. I thought I'll read more. I read more of my 2-3 books that I had. Then I told my mother that I want more.
Okay, and what was your age when you started reading?
Maybe you are 9.
7.
You were 7. You know, I was in class 5 when I first read one book, and that was Anil Bryden, your favorite, famous 5.
Actually, when she was small, I think 4 to 5 years, I used to subscribe a magazine, Magic Pot.
Okay,
And
yeah, Magic Pot,
she
very
used to
famous
love
with
it.
kids.
She used to love it a lot. I think it all started there.
So that is the Magic Pot, no? I used to love it. I had, I think, 2 or 3 of them, maybe.
And what a whole bundle of them.
Whole bundle, you were very lucky then. Okay. I just want to ask you, like, as an entrepreneur, how does reading change your thinking process?
Okay, so to the audience, so as a businessman or as an entrepreneur, reading is important. So I think we all know this. Reading to mind is like how exercise is to body, right? So to be fit, we are into maybe some kind of sports or gym, right? To keep ourselves fit physically. But mentally to be fit, it is important that we keep reading. And as entrepreneurs, it is important. There is a saying which says, leaders are readers. So as entrepreneurs, it's very important that we keep reading, because today money is basically knowledge, right? And to gain knowledge what is happening across the world, especially when you're in smaller towns or irrespective of whichever town we are in, it's important we keep reading. So maybe we are calm, we gain more knowledge, we have a different perception in life, we have a lot of help. Maybe there are a lot of help books depending on which area would you want to improvise in life. So as an entrepreneur, it's important that we keep reading. Maybe we can start with just 10 pages a day, which can help you finish one book in maybe 2 months, and you are a better human after 6 books in a year for sure. So I think as entrepreneurs, it's really important that
So basically reading is helping in your field a lot.
yes, to me as well, but I think in generally to all the entrepreneurs, if you see the world's self-made successful entrepreneurs, right, most of them are early risers, 5 a.m. risers, and are readers. So I'm talking about those who have not inherited, but self-made entrepreneurs. You'll see these are two common habits among them.
You get up at 5 in the morning.
Okay, no. Yes, my work makes me get up at 5 a.m. in the morning, but yes, so reading is important for entrepreneurs also. Apart from children, or apart from those who are in this field, so even irrespective of whichever business we are in, we should all of us should read. Yes, whatever little we can.
Sister, what is the impact of reading habit on a student's life?
Coming to student life, I would say it makes them to be more focused in their life. So when they read a lot of books, they come to know more of subject knowledge as well. I can even say the cultures of the world they are coming to know, different subjects they are coming to know, different concepts they read. So they are able to focus well when they read different subjects. And they increase their vocabulary and language skills, and they also improve in their analytical skills. Analytical skills, I mean, they are able to find quick solution for their problems, and they are also able to logical thinking, logical reasoning also is there, and positive thinking improves, and creativity of the child improves. And overall, I would say the personality is changed. The reading habits will change the. I mean to say, habit of reading will change the personality of a person. So I would definitely encourage children and tell them that they need to cultivate this habit of reading.
Sister, I've come across some parents. They say that they have so much of course books to read. When is the time to read other books, the general books?
Yeah.
Course books, so everyone has to read. General books के लिए भी तो time होना चाहिए. So does those general books make any difference, or the course books are enough for the children?
No, both of them they need to get balanced in reading. So only academic books if they are reading, they will not know other part of the world, other cultures of the world, societies, civilization of the globe, across the globe. They will not know. So I would suggest both they have to equalize. Then only they will be able to gain more knowledge. And then one more thing I would say, reading habit will help the person to relax the body. So I would definitely suggest it. And the child is able to communicate well, and they have a set goals, and there is a clarity for them. And if there is no clarity and there is a confusion, they will not be able to reach the goal that they have for life. So this habit of reading books definitely will help them to reach their goal, and there is a clarity for them.
So like if two children are standing, one is only like reading the academic books, not involved in other general books. So and the other one is reading general books also. Is there any difference between those two children?
Definitely there will be difference. Why? Because the thinking pattern will change between those two types of students. A child who is able to focus academics as well in other books, reading those books, the pattern, the positive thinking is more in that child, I would say. A problem is faced by the child, is able to solve by himself or herself. a child does not depend, someone should tell me, someone should guide me. She is
Basically,
able to
they,
think by
develop
herself.
an outlook of their own to judge whether this is right or this is wrong.
Yeah, definitely.
Or to take out
Analytical
ways
skills
for-
will automatically will
Yeah.
be developed.
That is there. So, like, this is a general question for everyone. Is social media killing reading habit?
I don't think so. Actually, जो भी है वो आपके इंटरेस्ट पे डिपेंड करता है. अगर आपको इंटरेस्ट है and if someone will give you an option, you select between watching a TV serial and reading a book. I think जिसको habit है books पढ़ने की, he or she will definitely go for the books.
No, because I've come across some pages and some things like they are providing novels also on Facebook and social media sites and everywhere. So is that habit killing the reading habit of children?
So, is it like the physical book being taken over by Kindle and
Yeah,
audiobooks?
yeah.
Basically that also, and plus whatever social media that the children are doing and not reading books.
I think there are two things. One is for some of them, especially maybe the higher age group, the entrepreneurs, maybe they find it a little easier for audiobooks or books on instead of a physical book, books on Kindle. It may be easier for them. But yes, if they can start reading because of that, and it is helpful to them, I think I'm not. I think it is good.
Okay, do you think like reading on a mobile phone or a laptop or listening to audiobooks and then reading a paperback book, which one do you retain more?
I think paper-
personally believe it's the physical book actually which matters a lot to anybody reading the subject, and even though it totally depends. See, basically there are two faces to every coin and to every story. So we have advantages, we have some disadvantages at the same time. What advantage I believe is with the e-books is the pinpoint accuracy with which you can get the information, the required information. You don't have to search for the libraries. Even searching for the books become very easy, going by the technological this thing. Actually, if you want to get into touch with any of the books and the retailers who are actually selling those books, so that is only with the help of technology. The pinpoint information is very accurate, and the major disadvantage which I feel there is the lack of focus. And at most, one thing, if you are reading in a family on an e-book or Kindle or whatever it is, nobody is taking it seriously. So that is another aspect of the operating with it. But yes, there are advantages and disadvantages at the same time.
Basically, I wanted to know this because there are people who say, no, we'll read it on the laptop or we'll see this. They don't want to spend on
Telling my
paperback
sister
books or
also.
something. But I really need to know what is
I
the
think it
difference.
depends from person to person and
Yeah,
generation to
maybe.
generation also.
Generation to generation also.
Because my
so,
kiddo, she
like, what do you both feel?
Depends on the interest. Like someone like my sister also, like she doesn't live here. So she tells that already I have some course book, the different topic. So she tells that why do you take books? Basically you are provided it on internet, so you should read from here. So this is my part and this is my sister's part. So I am interested in reading physically. I'll take the books, and she's interested in reading the books online. So I don't think so it's killing the interest. I think it's the two different topics we have taken. It's not killing the interest of reading.
Okay, now basically those who are interested in paperback, they are reading paperback books, and those who feel comfortable with the screen or the thing, yeah.
And one more thing I'd like to add on this is, if you want to go in for a short storytelling or something like that, I think e-books and Kindle type things are quite okay. But if you want to go in for a comprehensive reading, in that case, I personally believe that physical books are the best. Nothing can match them.
So they are at least not hampering your eyes.
Yes.
The basic thing. They're not straining your eyes.
It reduces actually stress.
Yes.
You can't
Looking
actually
more of a-
concentrate on
The screen for a longer period of time. Okay, for you two only, basically. Just tell me with your experience, okay? Has reading improved your vocabulary and your knowledge? Both of you. One by one you can answer.
It has improved my vocabulary.
What is the latest word you've learned?
The latest word I've learned, not from books, now only I learned recite from him only. Reside is what, where do I stay somewhere? So he asked me basically some common questions. So reside, I didn't know what is. So I just learned a word from him.
That was
And,
5 minutes back.
Yeah. And knowledge, I would say I read basically two types of books: fantasy and science facts. So knowledge, I would say general knowledge. It comes from science facts and fantasy. I love fantasy, as you also know that I purchase books from you only fantasy.
You don't know.
Yeah. My thinking power, or I can say just you said one word. I can say my thinking. Yeah. Probably. So it generally becomes more and more and more. You can't get harmed by books. No, not at all. Like you gain your knowledge.
You're increasing something day by day
Yeah.
by reading books. What about you? Has it helped you increasing your vocabulary?
Yes.
So which word did you learn from books? One word, just one word that you did not know but you came across it and then you asked your mom or you searched in the dictionary, something.
2-3 words.
Okay, let me know.
Animal height, I don't know what is the meaning of it. I just guessed a bit. And nightmare.
Nightmare.
I thought
Okay.
it was a dream. But then I just learned that it was bad dream.
It's a bad dream. Okay. So, just for all the adults out here, how can we increase awareness of reading books amongst the youth?
So I think
What like basic steps can we take to make them aware of all the reading habits and everything, the importance of reading, and you know?
So I think I was asking her कि आपके घर में कौन पढ़ता है, right? To inspire the youth and children, right? I think it starts with us. We'll have to first start reading, because the younger generation, the children at home, they always tend to learn from the nearby family, the parents, those who stay at home, and it is very obvious and seen today also. If you see the family is more engaged in phone, right? You will see the children also get engaged in phone. If you see there are children whom I have come across and also read. If the family early morning is reading newspaper, the child also tends to read, and what is it? Show me. I also want to understand. So I think first thing if you want to inspire the youth or the children, we'll also have to start picking up that habit. Is what my kind of take is to inspire the youth. You just cannot go give bhashan कि आप पढ़ो, right? And then you will not be able to. When you're preaching something, you need to first do it also. If I have to tell you get up at 5 a.m. उसका बहुत फायदा है. I will never be able to tell you with the confidence if I don't get up myself. Because I get up at 5, I can tell you X number of benefits of getting up at 5, or I've started reading from last 3 years, so I can tell the benefits now. Reading that class. So I think you need to walk the talk first before motivating the youth.
Okay, as a mother, what steps are you taking so that your child gets into the habit of reading and she doesn't lose interest in that reading part? I know she is reading a lot of books, but what measures are you taking so that she, continuously
Helping her come here and shop.
involves herself in reading only?
मम्मा आपकी कैसे हेल्प करती है? You tell. How your mother helps you?
If I ask something to her, she'll probably tell me.
Means I have to answer her queries on time, whatever words she asks, and whenever she's like books come होती है, she says I want to get more, so I always encourage her. Okay, you try something else also. You try more books. So कुछ variety बच्चों को देते रहे तो they'll have a good habit.
Different books.
So how did you first get involved in the habit of reading? What was your first step towards that?
I think you said enough. Her father reads maybe. I think maybe
She
that's
started from Magic Pot, I told you, no?
Started from Magic Pot. So how did she come? Like she's at a very young age and she's reading and written and everything. So how did she get involved in all those books?
She started from here only. She came to your shop once with me, and I think you suggested her that. What was your first book?
The
Wishing Chair.
Collection.
Wishing Chair.
That
then
was
the
a Moti
Magic
book,
Fairy
and she took it and read it fully.
Those are 3 books in one.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and the Magic Fairy Tree.
You just
Magic
tell
Fire
the audience आपका age क्या है?
Um,
You're 9 years.
9 years.
You're 9 years
Which
old.
standard?
Standard.
Which class?
Which class? Sorry.
Three.
You're in
Okay.
class 3
So,
and you're 9
9
years
years
old,
old.
and you're reading Enid Blyton. Almost finished all the series of Enid Blyton. Okay, you read Nancy Drew also.
It
Since
was very
lockdown,
good.
she has completed 70-80 books.
Oh.
Wow. Since lockdown, a 9-year-old has completed 70 to 80 books.
Books. My God.
And you've broken all records, baby.
Yes.
More than 100.
Oh.
More than 100.
Very nice.
No,
I am
it's-
not
Half
able
of
to
the
count.
children will
These
be
are
getting a
the-
scolding because of you at home right now.
So 100 books in 7-8 months is phenomenal. I think that's great.
You
You
just
were-
learned a new word as well, standard. Which standard you are?
Standard. Standard means class. You just learnt a new
We
word.
just have to ensure all the 100 books come from books and
Okay.
periodicals.
Standard?
Yeah, all our books come from books and
Books and
periodicals.
periodicals.
And thanks to you for providing the much needed books in lockdown,
Okay,
especially.
thank you so much. Our
No,
pleasure.
in fact, even the range and the experience of shopping here, you feel like, okay, let's pick up one book or do something.
लॉकडाउन में इतना मुश्किल था. She wanted to study and मेरे पास कोई option नहीं था. I used to do video call to her.
Ah.
She used to show all the books and then we used to pick, okay, send this, send this. Yeah.
It's okay. Children should be
But
involved in
when
books.
I started reading, my sister, she loves to study.
You know, I'm getting complex because of you. I was 5 in class 5 when I read Enid Blyton. I'm feeling, very shameless.
I'll be
I
very
think.
honest, I think in my life I have not yet completed 80 books.
She's
It's
truly an
like,
inspiration.
inspiration,
Yeah.
yes. You have no idea, 80-100 books in 6-7 months is like...
And a book reading is a must for her for sleeping at night. If she'll not read the novel, she'll take the house on her head. I have not read, I can't sleep now.
So that's a good habit to
Very
develop.
good habit.
And
Very good.
I started reading that way. क्योंकि रात को 10-20 and I took a very small target.
You
कि हर
better
दिन
learn
20 पेज
something.
पढ़ना है. And that is how I picked up.
मेरा तो मैं बुक पकड़ती हूँ तो I just sleep.
Yes, so that happens. So
So
that,
my
that's 20
reading is
pages.
very different. I
You go to
cannot
sleep.
read a very hardcore book. I need all those adventure books and mystery books. Because I feel you're already lying.
Like
It's very stressful. Why stress yourself with all the hardcore
I
books?
need a book it should be something like I can read for 1 month, or like some days it should be gone, not 20 pages, not 30 pages, not 40 pages. It
You
should be
read a
1
book for 1 month.
What's it?
Yeah, but then you continue reading a book for 1 month. It takes you 1 month to finish one book.
No.
He wants a book of that size. 300 पेज का book होना
On
चाहिए.
and on.
600
He
pages.
wants-
I'm now reading Harry Potter. So I have a full collection of it. So I just slow my reading.
Which book are you on right now?
Harry Potter. I told you.
Which part?
Goblet of Fire.
Goblet of Fire.
It's almost 600 pages, and like no matter pages, but I slow my reading as because when I complete my this collection, what will happen to me? I love
You can come and get one more collection
I'll
of
get
books.
bugged, but the
It is the fear that if this book gets over, what will I do next?
That's
Obviously, you'll get one more book and start reading that. As
But
simple as that.
that-
But sometimes excitement भी रहता है. ये खत्म होगा तो next book में the next part is there.
Satisfaction, the completion of book, and then coming of new book.
But then there is one more thing which you can do.
Yeah.
You can frame your own plot and start writing it.
Yeah.
There's not many
Your book
other
will not
options.
get over, then you can continue
Which is your
writing.
favorite science fiction book?
I just I don't buy science fiction, but in library I just read. We get only 10 to 15 minutes, and then we go to our classes. So I don't get to read and do fast. I take the teacher. I am the library. I am the monitor. So the teacher gives me the issues, the book. She tells that I'll not give these people. They are shouting. You take the book and go. So.
Okay. So after all this question answer round, I have a very fun segment for only the adults now. So I want all the 2 kiddos to go at the back.
Okay.
And
All the adults are in a fix now.
yeah. I want to see how much of your childhood do you remember. Show me the red part. Okay. Listen to it very carefully. Pinocchio's nose keeps growing during his lifetime whenever he was afraid.
Yes.
No.
I didn't get your question.
Pinocchio's nose keeps growing during his lifetime whenever he was afraid.
Whenever you slide.
Okay. So,
I'm wrong. I'm wrong. I've changed.
you cannot change. It was a yes.
First option is taken.
First option is taken. Pinocchio को भूल गए. Pinocchio बुरा मान जाएगा.
And he said lies, so right.
Uncle was right.
Yeah,
I'm happy I don't have a Ghajini memory.
too good for that. I have a Ghajini memory. I'll keep one thing and I'll forget the next moment when did I keep it.
Next question, I'm going to wait for his black card.
I'll ask one by one. This is for you, this is for you, this is for you. Okay. Do you like to keep a collection of books at home?
Yes. Obviously.
Office in my case.
So basically, how many books do you have at home?
I think it's 150 for me.
150 for you.
I should be hanging around.
In the school we have 3,000 above.
In the school, at your home.
At our home we don't have any particular home like.
Okay, you
then we belong.
Oh, okay. 3,000 plus. For
I
you?
think we should be having around 100 books approx. Yes, we're trying to form a BNI library and keep adding books to that.
Okay. And how many books
I
does
think
one
5 to 600.
5 to 600.
Yeah.
I am the lowest.
Yeah. Are you planning to open a store?
My father is planning.
Oh,
What
Tough
book do you
competition, you're
think
going to give it to me
you
now.
are the books available just now to buy.
500-600 books is huge, but
We have certain financial management books, then
Okay.
stock market books, different type of books.
And then
Her
she has
father
a whole
loves
lot of
collecting.
collection then.
Huh?
Manisha
is
has
your husband into finance by any chance or something?
Yeah, he's
Okay.
a financial analyst.
Okay. Which is he working somewhere or?
He's working with EY.
Okay. In Ranchi itself or this place? Ranchi के EI में office है?
They have a project office.
They have a project office. I'm sorry we deviated.
No problem at all. Okay. There were 5 drafts in Snow White.
Please
Can I
boom
buy
it
it?
up. I need help.
Is there a help?
God.
The store manager will help us with the answers.
Did anyone hear of Snow White and 7 drafts? He's right.
Yes, sir. Read see.
No?
That was nice.
Next time.
Snow White and 7 drafts.
You tell us more about it.
I'll tell you the whole story about it.
She'll make you buy the book.
I'll make you buy the book. You can go home and read it to your kid.
No.
Okay. Oh, you heard of Chetan Bhagat? You know Chetan Bhagat books were converted into movies.
Yes.
Yes.
So there were 3 movies which were based on Chetan Bhagat movies.
Novels.
Chetan Bhagat's novels.
Okay.
Yes or no?
I think yes.
3 movies.
3 Idiots.
Yes,
I
yes.
know it. There's only 1
3 Idiots, Sky Poche and States, 2 states.
two states.
There were
Yes.
5.
And only 2 of them.
Oh, which are the other 2?
Okay, one was Sky Poche, one was 3 Idiots,
Two
2 states, and
Half Girlfriend.
Half Girlfriend
Oh,
and
yeah.
Hello.
Okay.
5. Thankfully, I didn't. Okay. Cinderella lost her shoe during a party.
What do you think?
Yes. Yes.
You were cross-questioning me for
I was
this?
taking your view.
Okay. Do you use your cell phone to read a book?
Yes.
Now and then.
I'm not
When I
inside.
don't reach out for the book, definitely.
Okay. 3 Idiots was based on 3 mistakes of my life. 3 Idiots movie was based on 3 mistakes of my life book.
3 mistakes of my life was Sky Poche.
No, I don't think so. 3 Idiots is based on this.
That was some other movie. 3 mistakes.
No.
Which movie?
No, 3 Idiots. 3 Idiots, the movie is
There's 3 mistakes.
Chetan Bhagat only, right?
Chetan Bhagat.
So give us 3 options.
Are 2 options that you have in the question only.
These are the 2 options.
3 mistakes and then
Which are the two options?
Okay, let me tell you. Three Idiots is based on 5 Point Someone.
Yes, 5 Point Someone. Yes.
And Three Mistakes of My Life is Kai Poche.
5 Point 5 Point Someone. I remember reading it. I think that's his first book. 5 Point Someone. Chetan Bhagat.
No. One Night at the Call Center.
Okay. I remember reading 5 Point Someone.
That movie was Hello. Salman Khan, I think, was the god. No, Salman Khan, no, Katrina Kaif was the god. That, if I'm not wrong. Katrina Kaif had one.
So 5 Point Someone, I think is the real. I think it is his life based also. His love marriage with. I think, if I'm not mistaken.
5 points. How
Should I pass on the book?
we have it over there right in front of you. Which Chetan Bhagat book do you need right now?
I have all.
Borrowing is not allowed. Okay. Have you ever searched for a word in dictionary while reading a novel?
Yes.
yes.
On Google.
On Google, yes.
Okay.
Because we get it immediately. Yes.
Okay. Have you ever judged a book by its cover?
Yes.
Back cover, I think so.
Back cover. Okay, you read something and you feel, okay, this is not a good book, and you don't buy it.
Yes.
And after some time you get to know, you get feedbacks of those books, like that was such a good book. How do you feel about it then? Like, with what did you judge that book then?
One thing I would say, Robin Sharma, he has written a book, A Leader Who Has No Title. So looking at that book, I thought may not be of that much, and then I had also anxiety and then excited to know a leader who has no title, what it is exactly about. So after reading that, I came to know it was very fantastic book. I fell in love with that title itself. It was
So Robin
very-
Sharma has, I think, written some great books.
Okay, so we'll end this segment here. जिससे पहले और कुछ
Yes. If you knew this is any questions for her, let's check her IQ also.
गलत हो गया the
How long
most
should we need to read a book? How long should we need to read a book per day?
How
A day.
long?
How much time
But
should
if
you
I start reading a book, I'm always into a fight with my husband because I read it in the night and then 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, 1 chapter gone, interesting end, then okay, I'll read 1 more chapter. I'll see if the chapter is very long, I'll start reading it. If I see okay, it is small, no, if it's very long, I just skip it for that day then. If it's a small chapter, I continue reading it. थोड़ा सा और पता चल जाएगा because it's very difficult for me to leave a book if I start reading it. This is one thing. So मेरा book, if I start a book, basically 2 to 3 days, I finish it off. Now with a kid along, I take a little more time, that reaches up to 1 week or something. But in 1 week time, I am able to finish a book. But my reading is very different, very different. I like Daniel Steele, Sidney Sheldon, and all those types of stories. So basically, fiction stories. No non-fiction books for me.
Okay.
Totally fiction stories. Okay. Plakat le lo. 1 million words per year. Is that possible?
No.
I
Reading 15 minutes. How many pages are we able to finish in 15 minutes?
How much?
Reading 15 minutes
I think
every day is equal to 1 million words per year.
Okay. Per
In a year. Like if you're reading 15 minutes, 365 days.
So 15 minutes you would end up reading how many pages? Around 7?
It depends upon the pages that you finish up.
Yeah.
Finish off. So will it be around 1 million words? Like that's a huge number. And it's a fact that has been given in every thing, reading facts.
Could be because an interested person will read within 15 minutes a number of pages.
Yeah.
Suppose there is no interest, we might end up with only 1 page.
1 page, exactly. That is also
Depends
there.
about the size of the book and the words size also.
Depends upon the book and the word size also. Are you sitting ready with a book over there for each and every?
Checking about the
That is true.
Okay, now. People generally read 25% slower on the screen as compared to paper books.
Yeah, obviously.
agree.
Oh, agree.
Reading on the screen is slower than paper books. Okay.
You can just spot the word, but on the screen it's like difficult to spot the word. Like I have struggle. The last word I just read, struggle. Like my mother called. Yes, yes. And then again I came to the book. Where is the struggle? Where is the struggle? That's actually.
That is there. Okay. Reading reduces stress by 68%.
Reading, I think our sisters, it does make you calmer, I think. It does reduces your stress. I think I'll agree with that.
By 68%, that percentage?
I'm not sure of the percentage, but if it is a fact, it should, there should be some research on that.
Okay.
It does make you little calm, it does give you that.
It improves your brain function,
Yes.
critical thinking.
Everything is there. Average number of books read by a CEO is 60 books per year, or that means around 5 books each month.
100% possible. 100% possible. You see the world's best CEOs, they read a lot. Be it Bill Gates or anybody, they read a lot.
As Ankit rightly said, all leaders are readers. And take my words, henceforth, all leaders will be leaders.
A good reader is a leader, so definitely.
Yeah. So now before we move towards the end of our show, I would like you all to leave a small message for all our viewers out there. Any small message, one-liner message that you all want to give to our viewers?
Sure, because it's to do with reading. I think reading or learning is part of life which we should continue doing. It's an ongoing process. So if you stop learning or if you stop reading, it's like we're not growing. And if you're not growing, it is like we are dying. So it's always good to keep reading and keep learning.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, definitely I would also agree with you, sir. We need to keep on read in our lives, and it is an ongoing formation, I would say. So a book, if you are reading, knowledge that we are getting, so that is not stopping there itself. And then it also gives a taste, interest to read another book, another story. So the moment when we are trying to read number of stories, number of subjects, so interest also increased, focus is increased, and the stress in our life is decreased. So definitely the vocabulary, the language skills, everything is developed. So I would suggest keep on reading books.
Okay, thank you so much, sister.
And keep on buying from books and periodicals.
Well, I would say read. Just read and read whatever you want to read. Don't get inclined with what others are reading, but have your own interest, number one. And number two, read all that you can read. Because at the end of the day, when we go and watch that KBC, Kaun Banega Crorepati, we have a feeling कि ये बंदा पढ़ता बहुत था तो ये इतना कर गया. हमने शायद पढ़ा नहीं, we didn't had an answer to this. Be it cracking the IAS, be it cracking the whatever exams, be it engineering, be it medical, and be it whatever stream it may be like coming into your life. You need to read and do read. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
All I have to say is thanks to Books and Periodicals for giving this lovely platform to my kid so that she is able to read more and more books. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And I would now like to call upon Vushka to give a vote of thanks.
Hello everyone, good evening. I would like to thank our guest, Mr. Ankit Jain, Principal Sister, Mr. Kali Charan, Mrs. Vashima Dev and Manisha, and all our viewers. We are really grateful that you took time and effort to come over here and share your thoughts and experiences with us. And it was truly a memorable evening, and we hope you had a good time over here.
Yes.
And we wish you can join us again in future as well. So thank you and a good night from Books and Periodicals.
Bye-bye. And next time you be the moderator. You replace me.